In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values based on the selection of a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This clever technique can greatly enhance the functionality of your spreadsheets, making them more dynamic and responsive to your needs. Whether you're working with sales data or inventory lists, this method is perfect for zeroing in on specific categories and getting the totals you need. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one created yet, go ahead and start a new sheet. Otherwise, open an existing document where you'd like to use this feature. Having your data pre-organized will save you time and make this process smoother. Once your Google Sheet is open, we're going to focus on a particular cell. Click on cell B2. It's essential to have your drop-down list set up in this cell, where each option corresponds to a category or range that you wish to calculate the sum for. If you haven't set up your drop-down yet, ensure it lists the categories you want, such as geographical regions or product types. Next, you'll need to enter a formula that does the heavy lifting. Click into cell B2 and type in the formula sumif C6, C19, B1, B6, B19. Now, let's break down this formula a little. The sumif function is designed to sum values based on a condition. C6, C19 is the range containing the criteria we are comparing against. B1 is where your dynamic criteria, the selected drop-down value, is located. Finally, B6, B19 is the range you'll sum when the criteria match. This essentially tells Google Sheets, sum the values found in B6 through B19, but only if they relate to the criteria specified in B1. After typing in the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This action will activate the formula, setting the sheet to automatically calculate and display the sum based on your selection in the drop-down list. With that formula set, let's test it out. In cell B2, you'll see a drop-down list. Click on it and choose one of the options, such as North. By clicking on North, your sheet should automatically calculate the sum of values associated with this selection using the formula you just entered. Feel free to explore further by selecting other options from the drop-down list. Click on South, East, and West to see how the sum updates according to your choice. This will validate your setup and highlight how efficiently you can filter and sum your data based on changing criteria within your spreadsheet. This technique tailors your data presentation to be directly responsive to user input. It's a fantastic way of maintaining clarity and enhancing decision-making processes by providing precise calculations with just a few clicks. If you have any more questions or need further customization, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to help you out. Happy spreadsheeting!